Hello everyone, so here we are from Group D. There are 6 members in this group. The first member is Alfian Shabayu, the second is Christopher Aaron, the third is myself, Kaliputri Nabila, the fourth is Henry Nur Mahmudi, the fifth is Ilham Nuramdoni, and the last one is Claudius Anika. So, live stream and screen recording are no longer foreign to us. Moreover, it's become a trend. But did you guys know that there is a live stream software that can be a solution for those of you who want to live stream on Instagram or YouTube with good quality? Well, what we'd like to do are to discuss about open broadcast software, or we can call it OBS. OBS is a free video recording or live streaming software, and nowadays OBS is widely used for live on or broadcast their content on Instagram, Twitch, YouTube, or another platform. OBS has many features which can make it quite complicated for the beginners. But don't worry guys, because we have a solution. Because today's topic is about how to broadcast, monitor screen or applications into media platforms by using OBS. So, open broadcast software or OBS is a free and open source software that can improve video quality when we want to live on various platforms. It's built with Qt and maintained by OBS project. OBS first launch is on 1st September 2012, and it's about 8 years ago. And the original author of OBS, or the creator of OBS, is Hugh Jim Bailey. We can use OBS on various operating systems including macOS 10.13 and later, Windows 8 and later, and also Linux. According to the official website of OBS, there are some excellent features that we can take the advantage. These features including insert text while live, do screen recording, built-in audio mixer, and support multicam in live. We can use OBS as our main solution for those of you who want to live stream or record your screen on various platforms such as YouTube or Instagram with good video quality. On this opportunity, we would like to talk about OBS in general and the requirement or steps we have to follow in order to live stream our Zoom meeting to YouTube or Instagram. So just watch the tutorial and enjoy the video.
Okay, as previously explained, Open Broadcaster software is a free and open source cross-platform streaming and recording program built with Qt and maintained by the OBS project. However, at this point, we will focus more on its use for streaming on YouTube and Instagram. Before streaming, of course, we must have this software first. We can get OBS Studio by installing it through the official website at www.obsproject.com. There will be several choices of OBS version, which are for Windows, for macOS, and for Linux. All we have to do is installing it according to the operating system of our PC or laptop. I use Windows, so I choose Windows, and then it will be downloaded. Okay, the download is complete. Now we can open the file. Okay, this is the OBS Studio setup. Just click next, and then there is license information, the agreement. Just click next again, and then we can choose the file installation location by click browse. But here I don't have any reason to change the location, so we use the default. Click install. It's just going to start the installation of OBS Studio. Okay, after complete, the window is like this. We don't launch OBS Studio, just finish, and then it is OBS Studio is already to use.
After installing OBS, now we can move to the next point. Here we are going to talk about steps we need to do in order to broadcast a meeting to YouTube. The requirements are obviously an OBS software and a YouTube account. The first step you need to do is to open OBS software. After that, on OBS, add stream source and move with the window capture of your Zoom meeting. Click OK. After that, set the window capture and image on the scene layer so that it looks good on your stream. Next, open YouTube on your browser and then log into your YouTube account. Then go to your channel. Then you need to click this manage videos. After that, you need to go to Go Live here, then click Stream. Okay. Then here, Stream key, you need to copy it. Click this button. After that, go back to your OBS. Click File, Settings, Stream. Terus then click select the YouTube service here, then paste your stream key, then click apply. OK. Finally, we can start the stream by clicking the start streaming button on the OBS.
Okay, here I want to explain about Yellowtack. If you want to broadcast or you want to live in your Instagram account, so you need Yellowtack. Yellowtack is application that allow us to stream, to live, or to broadcast in our Instagram account from our laptop or our personal computer. Yellowtack gives us the ability to get our Instagram RTMP URL and stream key, which will also allow us to stream from external device. Okay, the next is I will explain about how to install Yellowtack in laptop. So the first you need to open the browser and then write download Yellowtack. After that, choose yellowtack.tv and then click. Here we have two choice: download for Windows and download for Mac OS. Here I will show how to download Yellowtack in for Windows. Then we should wait until the file is downloaded, until the file is completed. Okay, here the file is completed, so we can open it. Okay, and we have here Yellowtack is all ready to use.
Now, let's talk about broadcasting Zoom meeting to Instagram. Both the requirements and the steps at this point are very similar with the point we have talked about before. In order to broadcast Zoom meeting to Instagram, we are required to have OBS, Instagram account, and Yellowtack software. So, here are the steps we need to do to broadcast Zoom meeting to Instagram. First, we should ensure that both OBS and Yellowtack softwares are installed in our laptop. Secondly, we need to open the OBS. Then, in the OBS, add the Stream Sources menu with the window capture of your Zoom meeting and maybe some images like background or overlay. After that, set the window capture and images on the layer in a such way so that the stream looks good. Next, open the Yellowtack software and then log in into your Instagram account that you want to be broadcast at. Then, copy the stream key and RTMP URL shown. Go back to the OBS and then click Setting, Stream, then paste the URL that we have already copied before to the OBS stream key option. Finally, we can start the stream by clicking the Start Streaming button on the OBS and the Start Broadcast button on the Yellowtack.
In summary, broadcasting a Zoom meeting to media platforms such as YouTube and Instagram is actually pretty simple. We just have to fulfill and follow both the requirement and the steps so we can do it without any problem. Do you remember about the things we have talked about at the beginning? If so, now you should have a better understanding about both live streaming and screen recording, especially at the requirement and steps to do it. Working and learning from home is experienced by almost everyone, and has become commonplace. Software like Zoom was created for times like this, but knowledge related to its use and how it is broadcast is very necessary. And you guys, we want you to try to learn. Maybe you guys are needed on a webinar and other things. You have to try it. Now, we understand that OBS can be used as our main solution to do a live streaming or a recording of monitor screen on various platforms such as YouTube and Instagram with good video quality. Well, that's all we can share to you right now. We hope this video can help you in broadcasting videos, especially Zoom meeting to your YouTube or Instagram account. Thank you for being with us.